Hello everyone, I am Dr. M. Manikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about BCD addition program. So in Microprocessor 8086, we are going to discuss about BCD, binary coded decimal addition program. So we are going to discuss in this video. So in our previous video, we have discussed about 16-bit subtraction. So what are all the steps are involved, how we can subtract 16-bit numbers through Microprocessor 8086. So these are all the things we have discussed in our previous video. So today BCD addition. So in this video we are going to discuss about how BCD numbers, I mean 8-bit numbers are added with another 8-bit numbers through the Microprocessor 8086 assembly language program. So these are all the things we are going to discuss today. So let's get into the video. In this video we are going to discuss about BCD addition. So first of all we should know what is BCD. So BCD means binary coded decimal. So why we are converting decimal numbers into binary numbers means so for digital electronics and computer languages or combination languages, we are using the binary bits, zeros and ones. So that's what we are to manipulating or handling the calculations and everything. So we are converting decimal numbers into binary numbers. This is the reason for converting decimal numbers or into binary numbers. Here binary coded decimal numbers are using in computer systems. So now we are going to add two 8-bit numbers by using the microprocessor 8086. So this is the source program for BCD addition. So first step that is we have taken as 08 and 05 as input data. So we are going to add these two numbers. So first step, that is move AL comma 08, which means 08 is a input, first input data is loaded into the AL register. So that is 8-bit register. Second input data is fetched by the BL register, move BL comma 05. Then we have two inputs are fetched in the two registers AL and BL. So now we are adding add AL comma BL. Then we have added, then DAA. So after addition of these two numbers, so we are going to convert into decimal numbers. So DAA means decimal adjustment after addition. So before addition we have given only, we are handling only hexadecimal numbers, 8 plus 5, that is 0D will come. So we have to convert hexadecimal into that decimal numbers. So 13 will come. So next step, that is move SI comma 1200. So this is the output address. Then move SI comma AL. So AL register data will move to the SI register. Then finally halt, end of the program. This is all the source program for BCD addition in microprocessor 8086. So these all the steps are involved to perform this BCD addition program. So first step, that is start the program and load the first BCD number, that is 08 we are using here into register AL. Then third step, that is load the second data in BCD number that is into the BL register. We are adding AL and BL. So we will get 8 plus 5, that is 0D. So we are using a DAA, decimal adjustment after addition instruction we are using to change or convert hexadecimal into decimal numbers. Okay, so this ensures the result is a proper 2-digit BCD value. So next step, load the memory address 1200 into SA register. Then step number 7, store the BCD result from AL register into memory location pointed by a SA register. So here in this case we are using 1200 as a address. So last step, that is stop the program using the HLT instruction. These are all the steps, proper steps are involved in performing BCD addition program. So here is the flow chart for
for the particular program. So first step, that is start, and next step get the first BCD number, and next step, that is get the second BCD number. Then we are adding two numbers, and we are using DAA, that is adjust result to valid BCD numbers, then display the result, then stop. So these are all the flow chart for the BCD addition. For example, here is the calculation for BCD addition. Here 08 and 05, suppose we are adding these two numbers, we will get 0D in hexadecimal addition. Then if we are converting 0D into decimal numbers, we will get 13, that is 13. That is which is stored in the address 1200. Here is the some applications for BCD additions. So BCD, where we are using BCD addition in nowadays day-to-day life, or some applications. So first one, digital clocks or digital watches, we are using this BCD addition program for time in decimal. Okay. Then calculators, accurate decimal arithmetic operations purpose, we are using BCD addition in calculators, digital calculators we are using. Then financial system, POS terminals, digital displays, measurement devices, and educational uses. So these are all the some applications of BCD addition. BCD addition program we are utilizing in these applications. Okay, thank you for watching this video. So I think we have learned about BCD addition, what is the source program of 8086 microprocessor, and algorithm, flowchart. These are all the things we have learned today. So we'll continue this lecture series by posting next video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.